The Ecomi or OMI Price Prediction 2021 video depends on specialized analysis and value prediction. Further, you will see the key metrics that we have thought about after coming up with our OMI value analysis and forecast. In the course of recent days, the crypto market appears to be recuperating quickly. In addition, after the dip in the price for about 14 days, the crypto market stays either stable or floods consistently. As of now, it resembles the crypto asset industry will ascend high once more. Hello guys, and welcome back to another interesting yet informative video from Crypto Channel. Today in this video, we will be discussing and sharing the most recent updates in OMI, price updates and price prediction in OMI. Make sure to stay with us until the end. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's get started. Ecomi is a Singapore-related tech organization in the space of digital collectibles. Additionally, the organization makes Vivi, which is a blockchain-related virtual collectibles commercial center for clients to buy and share their collectibles over the social community administration. Even more so, the Ecomi comprises two unique components, the previous Ecomi Collect ecosystem and the Ecomi Secure Storage Wallet. Furthermore, the Vivi contains the Vivi Store, a recycled market, an augmented reality display area, and a social feed. Vivi works with brands like Batman, Superman, Harley Quinn, Ghostbuster, NFL, and MLB, alongside others. What's more, the OMI token is a utility token, which is used as a mate of trade on the Vivi stage. Added to this, OMI likewise improves the permanent proprietorship records for the digital collectibles. Ecomi and its NFT platform Vivi are cutting out an exceptional specialty in NFTs. No one can tell what might befall that old Spider-Man comic you once cherished yet lost or tossed out. Imagine a scenario in which that equivalent comic book could be purchased and saved online just to fill in value. Ecomi and Vivi are hoping to address precisely that. The present generation has tracked down a better approach to transform digital comics into high-value digital NFTs that can be exchanged for 2 to multiple times or a greater amount of their underlying value. Let's investigate Ecomi and Vivi. Vivi is a blockchain digital art application that permits regular crypto financial backers and cartoon NFT fans to purchase and hold or resell comic books, characters, and surprisingly showed novels. What makes Vivi exceptional and unique in relation to potential contenders is its capacity to show your art in 3D anyplace in your home, office, outside space, or room, and so on, while certain individuals even save them in their own Vivi vaults for individual bliss or flex. OMI, the token behind Vivi, has made tremendous plays to make Vivi famous by partnering with hero comic stalwart Marvel and DC, and in any event, an arrangement with Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. All of this activity inside a long time will hope to help both Vivi and the OMI token ascend to the top and become the face for the new time of digital comic books and outlines, all inside the quick and consistently changing crypto NFT world. With the new September 17 declaration of the Little Bear Bargain and the solid value activity recently, any reasonable person would agree this is an organization, application, and token that you ought to have on your radar in case you're keen on comics and NFTs that you're likely looking forward to. In this new universe of likely gold, it's hard these days to overlook any organization that takes on high client projects with great notoriety inside interesting communities across the world. With new ventures left and directly into vivid NFTs, augmented reality, and other metaverse parts, Ecomi and Vivi are taking the steps fundamental in tying down solid IP partners to future confirmation of the brand. The OMI token was first sold in an underlying trade presented on Bitforex as part of the private pre-deal round, with a hard cap of 1500 BTC. In each phase of the fundraising measure, one OMI was equivalent to 1 Satoshi. The complete stockpile of OMI is 750 billion. 20% of the absolute supply was accessible during the OMI deals, identical to 150 billion OMI. Inside the Vivi tokenomic framework, around 40% or 300 billion OMI are held in the in-application reserve. Now, let's take a look at what the predictions say about OMI. 2021. The value chart shows that Ecomi has performed extraordinary in the course of recent days. Besides, the OMI cost expanded 100% over the most recent 30 days. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, OMI may run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its $0.0125 opposition level and move higher. Alternatively, if the financial backers betray the crypto, the bears may dominate and depose OMI from its upswing position. In more straightforward terms, the cost of OMI may drop to nearly $0.0049, a negative sign. In the meantime, our drawn-out OMI value expectation 2021 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its present all-time high or ATH at about $0.0138 this year. In any case, that'll possibly occur on the off chance that it breaks many past psychological resistances. 2022. On the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, OMI will reach $0.2 before the finish of 2022. In addition, the primary portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to $0.25. And then at that point, this ascent will dial back, yet no significant falls are normal. With impending partnership and improvements coming to $0.2 is very hopeful in the value perspective, yet without a doubt plausible for the not-so-distant future. 2023. On the off chance that OMI holds the help level around 200 MA, the drawn-out moving normal, purchasers will then at that point have adequate time and security to produce the following assault mission on the essential level at $0.5, making it not fall yet play reliably. 2024. According to the most recent redesigns, improvements, OMI value expectation, and new undertaking estimates of the platform, OMI financial backers could expect many partnerships and mixes around 2024. In addition, this may help the cost of OMI in the crypto market, and it'll all be that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around $1. 2025. In the following 4 years, OMI costs could face $2.5. Nevertheless, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for OMI as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This shows that OMI has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 5 years according to the expectation. Ecomi has a brilliant future in front of it in 2021. With the continuous advancements occurring inside the OMI ecosystem, just as in the general crypto market, we might see OMI arrive at new heights in the crypto industry. Bullish OMI value expectation 2021 is $0.0125. In any case, it might even reach $0.05 if financial backers have concluded that OMI is a wise investment in 2021, alongside standard cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, that brings an end for today's video, guys. Do like this video. Also, subscribe and share to our crypto channel. Let us know your thoughts on OMI in the comment section.